How's it? Got something new for the car. New MOMO wheel. So here's the old one, which is a little bit worn out. Up on the edge here, it's got a bit of movement in it, and I can feel that it's splitting under here. So I just decided to get a new one. It's just going to be an easy one. Remove these old screws, wheel off, pretty much new one on. So the steering wheel's off. That's the horn wire. It's easily just unplugged. So I got myself a MOMO race wheel. So in the box, get the wheel, obviously the horn, and then you also get some instructions, I guess. Some more. So the only thing it doesn't come with is the retaining clip, which goes on the back of the steering wheel, which is this ring right here. So you can see sort of it's starting to get a little bit sad at the top there. Never mind. So that's the retaining ring out. It just slides off and the horn falls out. So for the horn I got to put this retaining clip, and that goes into here. It's got to close it. And then it goes like that. So that's the retaining ring and the horn button assembly put in. Actually worked out that it's actually easy to put this spring in after you've put the horn through. So it's ready to go on the car. So with the aid of a 3mm Allen key, she's on. I reckon it looks much nicer than the old one. Cheers.